Welcome to USA Survival Paracord World. Handcrafted paracord bands made in the USA. Together, we create. Your needs is our goal. Walking with you every step of the way. One weave at the time. Let us make the perfect band for you. Our straps are designed with an extra inch of adjustable hook and loop, allowing you to customize them to your desired comfort level. We recommend measuring your wrist for an accurate fitting. Measuring your wrist is simple. If you don't have a tape measure available, take a strip of paper or a thin piece of string and mark where it overlaps on your wrist. Then, lay the strip flat and measure up to the mark using any ruler. Our paracords boast a tensile strength of 550 pounds, featuring 7 inner strands for enhanced durability. The cord can be unwound, allowing for a variety of applications. Purchasing your new band is straightforward and quick. We have an extensive range of bands compatible with numerous CASIO models. Simply search for your watch model to buy a band. We create straps for majority of CASIO timepieces, and if you can't locate a specific CASIO model in our shop, we also offer universal straps compatible with various other CASIO models. You'll need to know your watch case size and lug width. To find out how to obtain these measurements, head to our store, click on Customer Resources, and then select How to Buy for CASIO. You can find the link to our store in the description of this video below. We ship worldwide. Visit our store at www.usasurvivalparacordworld.com. Subscribe for more brand concepts and fresh products.